everybody, and welcome back. And for those of you who are seeing my videos for the first time, I am Candace, and I am today going to show you my Altenew haul that I got. So I have been eyeing Altenew for a minute. I did get some pads, stamp sets, and stencils collections with Altenew maybe about a year ago, and honestly I didn't use it. I was a little bit intimidated, but I finally broke them out and I love them. And so while I was eyeing Altenew, I decided to go ahead and just purchase the ultimate subscription plan, which gets you I think it's like five. It's bundled together. There are five subscription plans into one subscription. I also got the March one. So what they do is, so right now I got April. April was a part of the subscription. So April will become live in on April 3rd for people who don't have the subscription, if my understanding is correct. So I went ahead and bought March since I wasn't going to get March. I did buy that one. And I'm trying to see what else. I think that's it. Also, side note, if you I want to say thank you to everybody who is subscribed and welcome back. And if you not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's a free way to show support. So I did get 3 of their blending brushes. I cannot wait to try these out. And so I'm just trying to expand my crafting horizons. I did get the Watercolor Dreams add-on die set. I thought that this set came with one of the bundles, but it doesn't. It's a past one. So I am going to go back and get the stamp and stencil that goes along with this. Okay, so the first one for the month of April is the Dynamic Duo Modern Dahlia Bunch. You're going to get a stencil that creates these beautiful dahlias. And you're going to get this stamp set where you could put like little floral pieces. I'm trying to see, because sometimes they have like a little example. Here we go. Little floral pieces with your flowers. There is a coordinating die. It doesn't come with the Dynamic Duo. That will be a separate purchase, and I think that cannot be purchased until April. So that's when I will get that. The next one is the Mini Delight. You're gonna get this light up my world stamp set. It has this beautiful flower, all these great sentiments, and then you're going to get the die set, which is a light bulb. Okay, just trying to make sure there's nothing else that's coordinating with this. Okay. Next is the Build Your Garden subscription. The Build Your Garden. This, you're going to get the die set, the stamp set, and the coordinating stencil. And what I love about this is, so great big stamp image, wonderful sentiments, but on the stencil you're going to be able to create this background with your stencil, plus color in the flowers. Okay, and then you have the coordinating die, and the sentiments, the one that are bolded, are going to be you're going to be able to die cut. Okay, the Craft Your Flower. This is the Enome, I don't know how to pronounce that, but Blue Poppy. And they use a keyhole system, so that's what you're going to use to line up your dies. Okay, So as you see here on your dot, when you cut them out, they have these little keyholes here, and that's how you're going to line up each of your pieces. Okay. Okay, this is gonna drive me crazy. I have to do it. But I do love how they put these like in a little folder like that. Okay, and then the last part of this is the craft your life project kit. You're gonna get a die set, a stamp set, a coordinating stencil, and a coordinating embossing folder. This is the 3D embossing folder. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. I love wood stuff, and you know, so that's why I really wanted this set. And look at this, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And you're going to get 5 stencils to be able to create with. And I do love how they give you examples, and there's examples even inside on how to stencil your projects and stuff. So that is the Rustic Charm. So that's the April. So if you are part of the Ultimate subscription plan or any of their subscriptions, those are the bundles you're going to get. I did get a freebie for ordering over, I think it was like $2.99. So I did get the Blush and Magnolias stamp set and the stencil. So this was my freebie. And of course, I think I'm gonna have to go back. Let me see, does this one have a coordinating die? I don't know if this one has a coordinating die. It looks like it does. So, oh, no. That's funny. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna have to go and look to see if there's a die. Okay, so I also picked up the March bundle. Now, I think the major difference with the March bundle was it included a stencil. Let me see, that's the dynamic dual. It included a stencil art. So I did pick that. That came with this. The Mini Delight that came with the March set sold out, so they did refund me back that part of the bundle. And I think the only thing I'm missing is the craft the flower for March. So it says that it's preparing for shipment, so I do need to follow up with them just to make sure that I am not missing anything. So with this bundle, I got the Dynamic Dual. And so for March, it was the Painted Blossoms. So you're going to get this beautiful flower. And then these great sentiments. And then I picked up as an add-on the coordinating die. So I do like how they do have this packaged together. So it's like, I think for the March one, I only had to pick up 2 dies. To have the complete set. Okay, next is the Build a Garden, and this is so pretty because look, this looks like a little ice cream bowl. Elegant tulips, great sentiments here. Is this the die set? Yeah. So this is the stamp set. And then, so if you look at the letters here, it's going to coordinate, I believe, with the stencil. And then I love how they included this background stencil. So you really do get your money's worth with their sets. Love it. So like I said, this one had the stencil art. And so this one is just the stencil. And it's really pretty. And so this is what it looks like after it's done. And this is called Enamorous Dream. So it's a 6-piece layering stencil. And I did pick up the coordinating die to go with that. Okay. And then the last piece, yep, is the Craft Your Life project kit. So this one is called Splendid Bouquet. It's a 6x8. So it looks like all of the Craft Your Life kits. It's going to include a 6x8 stamp set. Really cute. Love the sentiments. Great for outside and inside. You're going to get a coordinating die. And all of the bold sentiments are, you get a die with that. The coordinating stencil. And I think these are great because if you don't want to color with your markers, it's a nice way to add color with your inks. And then here goes the coordinating 3D embossing folder. Okay. So this is my Altenew purchase. So this was my first purchase from their website. So I'm super excited to get started using their products. I mean, at first it looks intimidating, but once you get a handle of it, I think everything will be okay. So I'm going to start working with their stuff. Then I think my next subscription box is not going to be until April 27th. I think that's when they said that's when the next box is going to ship out. So, alrighty guys. So that's it. That's all I have for my Altenew haul. But stay tuned guys, because I got a problem. I have a big problem. And so I have another haul to share. So I will see you guys again soon. Alrighty guys. Bye-bye.